Good afternoon. Check this out. This is brought to you by the Chronicle Telegram. We are at George Daniel Stadium in Lorain, where they're working on the turf on the new Titans football field. This is a project that was started because of the Cleveland Browns program, and they are making good progress on putting in this beautiful new field. We are going to do some photos and video today for the paper tomorrow, so I thought we would just kind of give you guys a sneak peek at exactly what goes into working on this field. It's kind of cool. It's actually sort of like the biggest carpet installation you've ever seen. Let's get some altitude here. Hey, California, how are you? All right, let's get up nice and high and take a good look at this field. Right now we're at 140 feet. So there's 60 yards of your new football field, Lorraine. Formerly a grass field, so that's a nice upgrade. Hinesville, Georgia here. Hello. So you can see over here on the right side of the screen, there's the rest of the rolls they're working on. In fact, I think they're getting ready to bring in another roll here soon. Let me drop some altitude and get you guys in a little closer. California, how are you? I won't spin you guys around too much. I don't know if you've had lunch or not. Boy, that's a pretty field. That is so nice. So the Chronicle is 107 certified through the FAA, and we try to use this drone when we can to get out and show different looks at things. So you can look forward to more of these broadcasts. We're going to be out and about. We have a whole lot of schools that are being built and torn down, so we're going to be doing our best to get out and give you a different look at some of these things. And we back away from them because they're crawling underneath the drone, and we can't have that. Okay, we are just passing 85 feet over the field, 100 feet. Yeah, that'll do it. Let's back away a little bit and we'll give you another overall look. So I don't know how long they've been working on it. I would think a couple days, but seems like there's not a whole lot left to do here. The Elyria High School football stadium, that's another field that's being put together right now. I was out there the other day, and that's coming along really well. They're just working on getting ready to do the asphalt around the track, or I guess not really asphalt, but the coating around the track. And I didn't know this, but apparently it takes about 30 days for that track to cure so that you can actually do things on it. They're prepping for the next strip that's going to get seamed together there at the 40. All right, so yeah, Megan's saying they've been working on it a month and a half. Yeah, I'm just talking about laying down the turf. The amount of work that, it's like anything, a building, the amount of work that goes on that you can't see. They have all their laser levels out there. All that field prep, all the real work is done. You can't see it. It's all underneath the turf. All right, let me get some altitude here. Get some altitude really quick, and I'm going to take a couple pictures that we'll be using in the paper probably tomorrow. Let's see. I'll let you guys pick the picture. How's that sound? I think maybe we'll do one at an angle like that, kind of a strip as they're working on the field. And yeah, this is the Haslam family program. We did report in the Chronicle that this was the first field outside of Cuyahoga County that the Browns got into. They had a relationship with I believe it was a former coach that was here, and one thing led to another. We'll do a picture of this. Come forward a little bit. Sorry guys, I'm going to bring the camera down so they can drop some altitude here. Tiffany wants one of the whole field from higher up. Okay, Tiffany, you got it. My director of photography will do your shot. Let's get one right here. Okay, I'm passing 75 feet right now. All right, we'll wait for that little machine to come back, and we'll take a picture right from here. Hopefully it comes back. Let's see. Show you guys upfield a little bit. Nice little splash of color. All right, where'd he go with the machine? All right, I guess he's done. All right, so we're going to get one. We'll drop a little more altitude. 60 feet. There we go. Let's see. That looks like a good angle. All right, Tiffany, here comes your shot right now. $240 feet, 250, 260, 280, 3. We cap out at 400. We can't fly any higher than that legally. And
maximum flight altitude reached.
So while we're up here, you guys, for the folks in Lorain, here you go. This is looking south. Shot there. We'll rotate around. It's a little hazy out there, but I think we might be able to see the field from there. We'll take a picture of that. I'll spin around here really quick. And yeah, we can see the lake. 20 29%. I have a low battery warning. So let's get one more shot of the field, and then it's just about time to return. Give you guys another skyline shot here really quick. All right, everybody. Hey, thank you all very much for tuning in today. So like I said, this is something we're going to be trying to do a lot more often for you guys. Just kind of get out, get a little different look at things, and show you what's going on. All right. Everybody have a great afternoon, and we appreciate you tuning in. Have a good day.